Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I'll be talking about equipment finance. It's specifically the down payment requirement for manufacturing equipment financing. Let's dive in. All right, so in terms of getting equipment financing, there are so many variables that the lenders look at. And of course, I work as a broker, so I work with a lot of lenders. They look at about 15 to 20 different things. Obviously, you probably know they look at your credit, but they also look at the equipment, the industry type, and the time in business for the individual business. Those are the four main things, but there's a whole bunch of other things that are looked at as well. But let's just say that you have a manufacturing company and you want to get some new manufacturing equipment. And if you have a 630 or higher, of course, the higher the better, then you can probably get that manufacturing equipment with nothing down. No down payment, but you'll probably just need to pay the first month, maybe first and last month's payment at delivery when you sign the papers and take delivery of the equipment. Of course, there's many different businesses, there's a lot of different industries, and they're all looked at so differently. Whatever you have going on, I'd love to help you with your equipment financing or equipment leasing request. My contact information is down in the description below. I wish you a great day ahead, and if you could, just drop a quick like and subscribe. Take care.